Ooh wee, it's so C on the beat.
Hey you guys, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. So I was actually getting ready to go on a date. I did not know how I was about to wear my hair, so I just decided to take you guys through the journey of me trying to figure it out. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to join the family. And also, cool little fact, all the beats that you hear in this video were made by me. Ooh. So I did my makeup off camera because I didn't know if you guys wanted to see that. If you guys want a makeup look, let me know. I can drop a video out for that, but no, I didn't film it because I'm just not a makeup guru. Anyways, I washed my hair, so my hair is freshly washed, and I just need to figure out what I'm about to do with it. So I just decided to first start with brushing down my edges, and this is not something that I always do. It really just depends. Like, I'll do it for special occasions, like a date night. I was like, okay, I'll brush them down, but normally day to day, yeah, I'm not brushing it down. But this was one option for my hair, just to kind of wear it in the side part and wear it down, but I wasn't wanting to do this. It was cute, it was really flirty, but I wasn't wanting that. So then I tried to do a half up look, which I've never actually worn my hair in this style. I don't know why, but now that my hair is a little bit longer, I feel like maybe I'll start trying this style out. But anyways, I didn't want to do that. So then I tried like a top knot bun type of style, just kind of wrapping the locks around. And then I'm going to come in with one of my favorite scrunchies, which is like this clear scrunchie I got on Amazon. I'll try to link it below if I can, but I love these things because they're so stretchy, and then you can get them back into their normal form. But yeah, this little top knot bun is cute. I kind of hit it with some locks, and this was a cute style. I think you can tell by my face, I'm still not 100% feeling it. And I think more so I just wanted to try out different styles because my hair has gotten longer, but yeah, I didn't go with that one either. So then I just went back to Old Faithful, which is like my favorite style ever, which is so basic, which is just having all my hair straight back into a ponytail, a low bun, real sleek, real cute. That's definitely my type of look. So I'm coming in with like my oversized scrunchie. If I can find a link for this, I will, but these are a game changer because they're so big and they're so easy to stretch, so it's not adding any tension on your hair. Anyways, put it in like a little messy bun. This is definitely a look option, but I kind of want to go for something more sleeker, so you're going to see me tuck these hairs away. But if you like the little messy look, I think it's really cute. It just wasn't what I was going for. Let me go ahead and tuck that lock away, just like that. I could have bobby pinned it, but I don't use a lot of bobby pins because I just always feel like I might, I don't know, puncture a lock or something. Is that a thing? I don't know. Anyways, I'm fixing up the front of my hair since I'm about to have this forehead exposed, and you know I got a big forehead, so I like to make sure I'm kind of shaping my edges a little bit so it can somewhat camouflage the foreheadness. Question mark. Normally, after this, I would put a little bit of oil on my edges and then tie it down with a scarf. But I was kind of running late and I needed to hurry up and figure out how I was about to wear my hair. So again, I'm going to tuck all of these hairs in, and I'm going to use that scrunchie. Oh, my arm is ashy. Do you guys see that? I mean, I know I put lotion on after this, but disregard. I got makeup on my other hand. Oh my God, disregard. Anyways, same little clear scrunchie. Wrapping it around, using my locks to kind of cover it up a little bit, tucking in any locks that are sticking out. And this is a look, honey. This is how I really love to wear my hair. I don't know why I have to be so basic, but I just love a low bun. Regardless of what state my hair is in, I love a sleek low bun, period. It's so cute. It's like a little ballerina. Look at me. Hit it. I ended up going with this look. I thought it was really cute, really sleek, kind of showing off the face, showing off the moles. I love to show my face off whenever I can. So yeah, that's the look. I took a few pictures in the sun so you guys can just see, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like it if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, you guys.